A massive fire blazed through the 111-year-old Assam-Type structure housing the Shillong Bar Association on Saturday night, damaging much of the structure and reducing computers, furniture and, most importantly, valuable legal documents. There was no report of loss of life, but the extent of damages is said to be immense, considering that the rooms were being used to store thousands of legal documents. Inspector General of Fire and Emergency Services, Francis Karshiying, said that they received a call at around 10:30 p.m., after which he rushed to the spot. The Bara Bazar Fire Station was at the first to respond. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Deputy Chief Minister Snyabhalang Dhar and other officials also arrived there to take stock of the situation.
Fire out here, and of course it's a very unfortunate incident, but we are very relieved that there's no loss of life and no casualty was there. But of course the fact that the infrastructure is damaged and the fact that there could be loss of documents and all is obviously concern, but we are doing our best to make sure that we minimize the damage.
And now the weather